My name is Ngure, and design is for everyone. A few months ago, I started doing videos on my YouTube page. The aim of this was to share my ideas, to share my skill. It is a form of mentorship. When I was starting out as an artist, I found it so hard even to know where to buy materials. So I took it upon myself to share these ideas to other artists who might be starting out, so that they can know where to get the materials and how to use these materials. So I've been doing YouTube videos. So what happens is that I pick a topic, a basic topic, maybe on jewelry, and I shoot the video in my studio. I edit it and then I post it to YouTube and share it on my Instagram, and so that people get to view it and learn something about it. This is a project that I am so happy to do. Hello guys, today we are going to be creating computer keypads ear studs, and for that we are going to need epoxy glue. We're going to need pliers. I'm so psyched up about it, and it's something that I want to continue because we need to teach more people who want to learn art. And if you can share something with somebody, you have helped that person so much.